Yo guys, it's WHADAFUNK Studios 2025, Peekskill, New York. I'm gonna show you guys what's going down over here. Check it out. Over here showing you guys the inspiration and how designs are made. So this is the process, reference, sketch, and then actual transparency. And then people are printing their own shirts today. Right here, this weekend only, we're doing a thing where you can print this exclusive design. WHADAFUNK, Peekskill Open Studios. We got two different options that people are able to choose from. And this is the screen. Check it out. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. We also have a pop-up shop. I'm gonna show you that as well.